Alright gang, we are down here at Centennial Park. We've got a 20 metre shuttle set up over here. Well, it's not really a setup, it's a cricket pitch. We've got a single kettlebell. I've got a 16, Toddy's got a 12, and the layout is we're starting with 16 repetitions, single arm kettlebell swing. So we're here, through the legs, up over the head. You're doing half the reps of 16 on this arm, swapping over. Okay, then you're going into a thruster, single arm kettlebell. So a full squat, full press, same again, half and half, and then 16 burpees. And then along the 20 meters, it's a 10 meter bear crawl to halfway of the shuttle, lunge to the end, and then complete the same again, bear crawl, lunge, and then running the 20 out and back. And then going into a 12 repetition round on the kettlebells, so the swing, the thruster and burpees, and then you're rolling through the shuttle cycle again, and then you're back reducing the reps to 8 on the kettlebell and burpees, and then for one more round of 4. Okay, so we've shot it in about 15 minutes this morning, and it was a good workout. So go hard, regress the exercises where you need to. If your kettlebell's too heavy, if your form's not good, reduce the weight on the kettlebell, or go into 2 hands for the kettlebell swing and thruster. If you get fatigued and you find your form going, very important that your form is good. And if you're exhausted, because it's a one single cycle round, there's no rest in it, you just slow your tempo down a bit, get the recovery, get your body recovering while it's working with slower tempo, slower speed, and then push back into it again. Okay, really good workout, so go hard, enjoy, crank it. All the burpees on the mat. Be observed. That did not feel fresh. Feels like it's here. Let's say that into the camera. You're doing 16 on each side? Isn't that all we're supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Half each side. Huh? Half each side. What is it? Oh, 8. Yep. Right, extras for you. Extra gains. Silly. Probably just that's it. A couple of reps of thrusters out there for yourself.
What's 12 next?
Yeah. Body's nice and warm.
Huh?
Hip power.
Okay, right from the hips.
just got Toddy to finish up his set. While he's doing that, any of the movements that you can't do, hit the regressions. Still got your 4 to do, cuz. Rest at the end, bro. Oh, okay, so Toddy's burnt out. Rightly so, he's been going for about 30 minutes and we haven't had a blowout like this for a while with the kettlebells. But yeah, I was just saying, you can get a really good workout from these big functional movements with the kettlebells. And yeah, regressing where you need to, which is both in how hard you're pushing and the technique itself. If you absolutely need to, after you've regressed the actual exercise, reducing reps or cutting yourself short like Toddy if you absolutely hit the wall, all good. It's all about getting a good workout. So objective achieved. Just make sure your form's good on the kettlebell, on the thruster, and you shouldn't have any problems at all. Sweet ass.